Okay, hello friends and followers. So it's time now to set up the Christmas tree. This is a Balsam Hill Christmas tree bought 3 years ago. It comes in 3 different sections. So I want to try and set up this tree in 10 minutes. I got power for the tree there. I gotta get a better extension cord for it, but the whole objective of this video is setting up your Christmas tree should not take hours. It should take 10 minutes, okay? So there's the tree. Nothing's pre-assembled. I'm just gonna deal with it. All right, so the hardest part of this for me is finding a place to put the phone. It'll capture the activity. Alexa, set timer at 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
And let's begin. So we'll get this cam set up and we'll go for it. Hardest part about this for me is getting the cam set up. That seems reasonable right there. Use a napkin holder to hold the phone. Put a water jug against the phone and we'll go like that. All right, hopefully the phone will stay steady. And I think that's a good enough angle. Okay, here we go. Balsam Hill tree. First thing is pull it out of the box. Each section is labeled. As you can see here, this says section 1. Put it on the ground. The branches will flop down. And so, the first thing you want to find is the base. Alexa, time left on timer.
You have 8 minutes and 40 seconds left on your 10-minute
Probably not
timer.
going to make it in 10 minutes. Okay, here's the base the tree goes into. And I taped some little screws onto it. So, time wasted with tape. But we got to put the base back together. Wasting time on tape. Okay. Now, once you get the screws all out, you can rotate this thing and get it into position. So make it into a square like this and put the screws into it. Off you go. Okay, and it goes. This just caused it not to rotate. And we'll make the base secure for the tree. Now, I've not done this in a year, I guess, but we'll see how it goes. Put that in there. One more of these. Okay, tape's off. Alexa, time left on timer.
You have 7 minutes left on your 10-minute timer.
Well, I doubt I'll make it. Okay, so I'm going to put these in, but not all the way because I want to grip the tree too. Just get them so they're barely sticking through to the inner circle and call it a day. So that's it. Now, put the base of the tree into here. So figure out where the tree will go. Gonna put it there. Straighten it up a little bit. Looks good. Okay, section 1. Take off the little retainer and shove it in there. The branches will flop down, so be careful of your eyes. And tighten these things up. The little screws down here, the little buckles, tighten them up evenly and get the tree straight. Pretty much like a conventional tree, right? Okay, and take a look at how it's going. There, these are tight. And watch your eyes. The branches will descend and That's it. Alexa, time left on timer?
You have 5 minutes and 30 seconds left on your
Okay.
10-minute timer.
Look for section 2. This is what? Section 2. Right there. Take off any kind of little retainers on here. And now, you want to make sure that this little tongue here fits in the tongue and those contacts for the power become enabled. So, look for the little tongue on here. The tongue is actually a little push bar, a little silver push bar, so line that up and that's all you do. So gonna line it up, there's an arrow on here and it puts in and it's done. So those will descend. Now find section 3. Section 3, where are you? Section 1 and 2. Let's look at this box way down here. Look for section 3, section 4. Look for section 3. And this is section 3, right here. So, we're going to come over here and show you section 3, right there. Same thing. Line it up. There's the arrow. Get it on there. Okay, there's an arrow on here. Whoa. Watch your face, it'll fly down on you. It'll click in. It's clicked. Section 3 is up. Section 4 coming on. Here's section 4. I think it's the last one. Section 4 right there. Same thing. You want to look for this notch. And with the arrow, there's the arrow. Alexa, time left on timer. Alexa, time left on timer.
Barbara, you have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left on your 10-minute timer.
Okay. 2 minutes left. Section 4. Click, it's in. And you can fluff it, but the tree is pretty much now established. There's no sections left. There's a small control box for controlling it. So you want to fluff these branches around, but that's all for later. I want to plug this thing in and light it up. So the plug is right here on the bottom. Let's plug it in. Here's the plug, extension cord, and plug it in. Alexa, time left on timer.
You have 1 minute and 40 seconds left on your
I
10-minute
think I'm
timer.
gonna make it in 10 minutes easy. Okay. Plug it in. I think I gotta find the remote, turn it on, maybe not. Let's see. It's in. It's not turned on. Oh, there it is. Alexa, time left on timer.
You have 1 minute and 20 seconds left on your 10-minute timer.
There you go. A Christmas tree will not take more than 10 minutes, okay? If you get the right tree and you follow instructions like I have showed you, a balsam hill goes up in 10 minutes or less. You have no excuse. Get your tree up. Merry Christmas 2023.